designed for crane openings are many times very challenging. Champion door crane doors are the perfect solution for this. These doors are made to be easy to use. These crane doors can be delivered in many different standard colors. Especially the insulated versions, like this one, suits perfectly in gray together with the black and white building. Now you can see these doors are very well insulated. If there is an accident, these sections are easy to replace one by one. Johan Pettersson, you are the manager of this expansion project for your building here. What was the main reasons or your most important wishes when choosing a new door for your factory?
It was the need of a well-insulated door that's easy to use. That was the main reason. We find your doors.
Good choice.
Thanks.